We made a multitasking robot. It consists of thief alarm detector. This thief alarm detector is a sophisticated security device designed to detect unauthorized entry or in, with a motion sensor or other advanced technologies. It triggers a loud alarm upon detecting movement. Fire alarm detector. This fire alarm detector is a crucial safety device designed to identify signs of fire such as smoke and heat and alert contents of a building to evaluate promptly. Soil moisture detector. This soil moisture detector is a valuable soil moisture detector. This soil moisture detector is a valuable agriculture tool that gauges the level of moisture in the soil. Equipped with sensors, it measures soil humidity, providing crucial data for optimal irrigation. Rain detector. This rain detector, equipped with sensors like rain gauges or with it consists of sensors like rain gauges or octaves. By detecting raindrops essentially in weather stations, it ensures accurate rainfall measurement. This smoke detector is a vital safety device that utilizes specialized sensors to safely detect the presence of smoke, a key indicator for fire. Metal detector. This metal detector is an electronic device designed to detect the presence of metal objects buried or hidden. It works by generating a magnetic field and sensing caused by metallic items. Widely security sensing, archaeology, and treasure hunting, metal detector helps locate points. GPS, Global Position.
GPS Global Positioning System is a satellite based navigation system enabling precise location determination on Earth, comprising a network of orbiting satellites and ground stations. GPS receivers triangulate signals from multiple satellites to calculate accurate position. Okay, sir. Now you can see the robot is in ZPHS Mukkal High School. You can see here this is the location of this robot. Digital distance meter. This digital distance meter is a handheld electronic device used for precise measurement of distances. Employing laser and ultrasonic technology, it emits and signal calculates the time it takes for the signal to return. You can see here this is a ultrasonic sensor, this is a transmitter and this is a receiver. You can see here there is a laser diode. This is very useful to measure the distance from this device to an object. Now you can see an example. This distance will refresh every 1 second. Now you can see the distance is 3 centimeters. Now we are going to increase. You can see 6 centimeters, 10, 14, 15. Now we are going to decrease. Now you can see the distance was decreased. This is the code for this digital distance meter.